Here are 5 gynecological symptoms you should never ignore. 1. Unusual vaginal bleeding. Bleeding between periods, after menopause, or very heavy periods can be signs of hormonal imbalance, fibroids, or even cancer. 2. Pelvic pain or pressure. Ongoing or severe pelvic pain may indicate endometriosis, ovarian cysts, or infections. 3. Unusual vaginal discharge. Foul-smelling, thick, or discolored discharge can be a sign of a vaginal infection or sexually transmitted infection, STI. 4. Pain during intercourse. This could be due to infections, hormonal changes, or conditions like vaginismus or endometriosis. 5. Sores, lumps, or itching in the genital area. These symptoms may be caused by infections like herpes or HPV, allergic reactions, or even skin conditions or cancers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips and awareness videos. Stay informed, stay healthy.